Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a responsive navigation menu with a mobile toggle using pure CSS. Create a label element. Add the for attribute. Type toggle as the value. Now place the menu icon inside the label. Next, create an input element. Add the type attribute. Set it to checkbox. Now add the ID attribute. Type toggle as the ID value. Next, create a NAV element. Inside the NAV, create a div element. Add a class attribute. Type logo as the class name. Inside the div, type logo. Now create an unordered list. Create the first list item. Type home. Create the second list item. Type about. Create the third list item. Type services. Create the fourth list item. Type contact. Link the HTML file to the CSS file in the head section. Start with the universal selector. Set margin to 0. Set padding to 0. Set box sizing to border box. Now target the body element. Set the font family to Arial, sans-serif. Set the background color to whitesmoke. Add 20 pixels of padding. Next, target the NAV element. Set display to flex. Set flex wrap to wrap. Set justify content to space between. Set align items to center. Set the background color to white. Add 15 pixels of padding to the top and bottom. Add 30 pixels of padding to the left and right. Set the border radius to 12 pixels. Now target the logo class. Set the font size to 22 pixels. Set the font weight to bold. Set the text color to royal blue. Next, target the unordered list. Set display to flex. Set list style to none. Set the gap to 30 pixels. Now target the list items. Set the font weight to bold. Set the text color to #333. Next, target the toggle ID. Set display to none. Now target the label element. Set display to none. Set the font size to 28 pixels. Set the cursor to pointer. Set the text color to royal blue. Now create a media query. Set the maximum width to 700 pixels. Inside the media query, target the label element. Set display to block. Next, target the unordered list. Set display to none. Set flex direction to column. Set the width to 100%. Set text align to center. Add 15 pixels of padding to the top. Set the gap to 15 pixels. Next, target the checked state of the toggle element. Use the checked pseudo class. Use the general sibling selector. Your responsive navigation menu is now complete and mobile-friendly. Subscribe to DevFix for more HTML and CSS tutorials.